Hello, let us find x. So we have 9 raised to power x plus 1 is equal to 243. So the first thing is just to write both sides of this equation to a common base. So we can write 9 as 3 raised to power 2. And then we have x plus 1. Then you can write 243 as 3 raised to power 5. So as you can see, the bases are the same. That is, 3 is the same as 3. So it means, therefore, that the powers are also the same. So 2 into x plus 1 is equal to 5. So we open the bracket on the left-hand side so that you have 2x plus 2 is equal to 5. Then we can take 2 to the right so that we have 2x is equal to 5 minus 2. So we have 2x is equal to 3. We divide both sides by 2 so that x is equal to 3 over 2.